Hello students, welcome back to our video. So in the last video we discussed about the social responsibilities towards the various stakeholders. Now in today's video we are going to discuss the social responsibility of business towards the owners. After Second World War, the era of industrial development in India was initiated, along with the incredible changes happened in the size and the type of business or industries. As a result of it, needed the capital was increased. As to fulfill the needs by the sole proprietor and the partnership was not possible, so the form of company was established. Existence of two different entities in this form, such as actual owners, means shareholders and the management, came into existence. Due to these reasons, the social responsibility of the company towards the actual owners also arises. So in short, it means that after the Second World War, the era of industrial development in India was started. And due to that, the incredible changes was happened in the size and the type of business or industries. That's why due to this, the need of capital was also increased. So the sole proprietorship business and the partnership business was not able to provide the increased capital. Therefore, company form of business was established. So the existence of two different entities in this form, such as actual owners, means the shareholders and the management, came into the existence. Due to this reason, the social responsibility of the company towards the actual owners also arose, which is as follows. So the first responsibility towards the owners is participation in the decision making process. Shareholders are the owners of the company. Therefore, it is necessary to have confidence in them while taking any decisions regarding the policy. It is the social responsibility of a company to make them participate in the decision-making process. So, the first responsibility of business towards the owners is to encourage them to participate in the decision-making process. Then, second responsibility is capital security and growth. It is the social responsibility towards the owners of the company by put their personal interest aside. The management have to use their skills for the security of shareholders' capital and to increase its value. So this is the second responsibility, social responsibility of business towards the owners of the company. Then third one is protecting the interest of the owners. The owner's interest always found in safety of capital, increase in the value and the growth of the company. It is the social responsibility of the management to protect the long-term interest of the company, to give the safety of their capital, owner's capital, then increase the value and the growth of the company. So it is this moral social responsibility of the management to protect the long-term interest of the owners of the company. And the fourth one is priority for the development. When the development plan being put into the practice, there should be priority of getting more capital from the actual owners and to offer them right shares is a social responsibility. So these were the four social responsibilities of business towards the owners. The last one was when the development plan is being put into existence or when the practice, there should be priority of getting more capital from the actual owners and to offer them the right shares. That is called the social responsibility. Now, so this was the responsibility towards the owners. Now let us look at the social responsibility of business towards the investors. As the size of the unit increases, simultaneously requirement of capital also increases. Capital provided by the investors in different forms like loan, preference share or debentures. The social responsibilities of a unit towards the investors are as under. So first is timely payment of the returns. The investors have invested their money with the expectations of high, regular and reasonable returns. It is the social responsibility of a unit to pay the regular returns. Okay? Then second social responsibility is providing the necessary information. Providing information regarding the current status and the future plans of the unit to the investors is also the social responsibility of business towards the investors. They have to provide the information regarding the current business status and the future plans to the investors, so that the investors can have an idea whether to invest in that company or not. Okay. Then third one is growth in investment value. The market value of the investment is determined as per the financial results of the unit. The financial decisions of a unit must be taken with the intentions to increase the investment value of the investors. Got it? So that is the growth in investment value. Then fourth one is security of money. Investors have invested their money entrusting efficiency of the management of the unit. It is the social responsibility to make the proper use and provide the security of their money. So it is the responsibility of the management or business to protect the money of the investors securely. So in the future, while the financial requirement arises, unit can easily procure the money from them. And the last one is suggestions are welcomed. Generally, the investors are aware with market trends, thus their suggestions should be welcomed, or we can say that suggestions of investors should be welcomed or the heard. Okay. So these were the following social responsibility of business towards the investors. So now we are going to stop here. In the next video, we would be continuing with the social responsibility of business towards the employees. So if you have any questions or any doubts, please feel free to comment below the video. Thank you.